Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. India has a new army chief, General Dheeraj Seth. He has said that this main goal is to build a modern technology based and future ready army. His vision focuses on advanced weapon drones, cyber warfare, and more local defense production. But what are the biggest challenges he will face? The first challenge is China. India and China still have military tension along the Himalaya borders, but both countries continue to improve broad military bases and surveillance systems in border areas. The second challenge is Pakistan. India remains alert along the line of control because of security concerns, cross border tension, and the risk of sudden clashes. And other important challenge is the growing cooperation between China and Pakistan. The two countries have expanded their defense partnership through military exercise, technology sharing, and defense equipment. India defense planners closely watch this cooperation because they believe it could affect region security. This is one of the key strategic concerns from Indian military leadership. General Siddharth said also want to modernize the Indian army. He has stressed the importance of artificial intelligence, drones, digital warfare, and indigenous defense manufacturing. His aim is to prepare the army for future conflicts instead of relying only the traditional method. However, modernization is not easy. It's requirement large budget and advanced technology and continuous training for soldiers. Managing all these priority while dealing with security challenges on multiple borders while will be major responsibilities in the coming years. General Dheeraj said leadership will be closely watched as India works to strengthen its military readiness in changing region security equipment. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more news and updates. Thank you.